What are the main sources used to pay for things? Choose all that are correct. A. Bank accounts, checking and savings. B. Cash. C. Credit. What is the difference between checking accounts and savings accounts? You may use the audio option to record your answer. True or false? Some banks may charge a fee for using their services. True, false. What does stop payment mean? A. Orders the bank to stop payment on any checks. B. Changes your PIN on your debit card. C. Allows you to withdraw all your funds from your checking or savings accounts. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the word boxes below. People who lend money or provide credit to others are called blank. People who borrow money for goods or services are called blank. Creditors, loaners, creators, debtors. Which of the following are true about unsecured credit and secured credit? A. Unsecured credit is a promise to repay in the future. B. A person must put up something of value known as collateral in secured credit. C. Both secured and unsecured credit must be repaid in 10 years. What happens if a person maxes out their credit card? A. They have to apply for a new amount of credit. B. They may not be allowed to make any more purchases. C. They get arrested and put in jail. Fill in the blank with the correct number from the word boxes below. A person has blank days to file a complaint in writing about an error on their credit card statement. 90, 30, 60, 10.